Thanks. That was beautiful, indeed. So now we'll have a speech from our most handsome president of the Bangladesh Student Association, Mohammed Sajjad Hussain. I tend to forget names. So please welcome him on the stage.
So the speech is supposed to be short. We're hoping it will be short, right?
You bet.
Do you know how much time should I get? 5 minutes? Anyway, I promise I will keep short. Okay, so thank you so much for introducing me. Basically, it's time to vote of thanks and acknowledge the people who did hard work to make this event successful. So, first of all, I will welcome all of you because I think today participants are the most important, because without your participation, our this event actually, our hard work or our plan, everything actually meaningless without participants. So we are grateful as you have joined. And one thing, not only Iowa City, peoples from outside of Iowa City, for example, Ames, Cedar Rapids, Cedar Falls, and also someone from Ottumwa. So it's amazing for us, not only Iowa City, outside of Iowa, a lot of people are enjoying this event. And traditionally every year we are arranging this event, and we are hopeful in future we will continue this event. Secondly, I'd like to thanks to all the performers, because as you know, this is the student organization. That's why everybody is busy. For example, everybody have assignment, due date, or the coursework, everything. Everybody is busy, and also they have to balance their family. But in the meantime, find out some time and make a practice for the performance. It's really tough. And also this year, we faced a lot of challenges, and one of them is timing because of the Ramadan. We couldn't practice, and also the final semester is approaching. That's why it was a little bit challenging for us. Even though sometimes we were thinking, should we continue this program or we should drop this program this year? But eventually we have taken the decision, no, at least whatever the quality of the program, but we want to continue, and we want to, we want to continue, and let's see what happens. So this is how now we are here. So, so that I would really great thanks to all the performers not only from the Iowa City. So likewise, every year, this year also we have performer from Cedar Rapids, Cedar Falls, Moharishi, and Ames. So it's really a great honor for us. Every year you are joining in our program and performing here. It's really grateful for us. So yeah, and we hope in future you will continue your participation in this event. And then I would like to introduce all our committee members. So actually they did a good job, and they did hard work to make this event successful. So as long as this is the voluntary work, as a president, I can acknowledge and appreciate their work, and I hope all of you join with me to say thanks. So first of all, I want to call you one by one and introduce, and want to say something about you. So first of all, I want to call Mushrat Jahan. She's the Vice President, current Committee Bangladeshi Student Association. She is my better half. So she did a good job. She is only one female member in our committee. So she did a good job to communicate with all the peoples, and one most important thing for me, she acknowledged and approved all the things I want to do, and that was really easy for me. I could do all the work. She did a good job, and yeah. So I would say thanks, and then I have to call our treasurer Sanjoy Saha. So as we know, without money we can't do anything. So she did a fantastic job to maintain the finance. So it's really and as a treasurer, not just maintain the finance, but also she did a good job maintaining the overall all the thing. And then I supposed to call our general secretary. She's really optimistic person in our committee, Ikram Haidar. So overall, she did a good job maintaining the food or coordinating the program and other thing. And we have two communication member, communication secretary, Partho Ghosh and Shahin Ali. So they did really a good job to arrange everything for communication with the university and other folks, and also decoration. So that's why, please give a big hand for all of them. And finally, I would like to mention one person's name, and without mentioning his name, actually it would be really unfair and injustice, and he is none other than former President Mainul. So actually, also I should mention and give a thanks to University of Iowa, because we got grant to make this event. So we had a lot of function with the university, so we have a lot of function for arrange this event, food, participation, performance. There's a lot of activity. Every task, whenever I reach out to Mainul, and I get the quick response. And sometimes it happened almost 24 hours he was engaging with me. So I would say he really just made my life easy. So one more time, please, big hand for Mainul. Okay. Okay, so this is all for me, and I will hope all of you just keep continuing to participate in our program. And one more thing I want to mention for Bangladeshi community in Iowa City. So I was actually struggling to balance newcomer and seniors. So seniors people want newcomer will come up and take the responsibility. So I would appreciate from the next committee, in the next committee, newcomers will take the responsibility, and the event will be more qualitative. Thank you so much.